alone that has now been reported. Unfortunately, there are casualties that have now been reported in another incident of fire which has been reported from Bihar at a private hospital. Now, the death toll has now gone up to 4, unfortunately. This fire that was reported in the ICU ward, around 15 people who have been injured, and the Bihar Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary has also announced compensation for the families, so around 4 lakh for the kin of deceased. And administration has now been monitoring as far as the relief operations are concerned. It is being said that this is a possibility of the short circuit that may have led to this fire that was reported in the ICU ward. So multiple people who have lost their lives are said to be patients there, and the death toll that has now gone up earlier from 3 now to 4, and this has now been reported at a private hospital in Bihar. And several others who have been rescued as the rescue operations have been taking place with the fire tenders that have been rushed to the spot. But disturbing pictures that are now coming in from this private hospital inside the ICU ward, where this fire, because of the short circuit reportedly, has now taken place. So the Chief Minister has also taken cognizance of this blaze. Compensation that has also been announced, and the death toll unfortunately has gone up. So another fire incident that has now been reported, this time in Bihar. And the administration is now monitoring the relief operations. Let's connect with Akansha on this. Akansha, Chief Minister announcing compensation.
Let me take you through what the Chief Minister has announced. He said that the loss of 4 lives in a fire at private hospital in Muzaffarpur is extremely tragic. My deepest condolences to the families. May God grant peace to the departed soul and provide strength to the families during this difficult time. Instructions have been issued to provide immediate 4 lakh rupees each to the families of the deceased. The local administration is fully alert, and appropriate arrangements they have been made at the district hospital for the treatment of the injured as well. So the Chief Minister there announcing compensation for the families of those who have lost their life. 4 lakh each rupees, in fact, they will be given to the families, is what we are learning so far.
All right. साकेत भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए. साकेत, जिनकी जान गई है वो आंकड़ा बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है.
देखिए, बिल्कुल पहले 3 लोगों की मौत की पुष्टि जिला प्रशासन की तरफ से की गई थी और वो आंकड़ा अब 4 हो गया है, लेकिन ये आंकड़ा अभी बढ़ेगा. जो हमें जानकारी मिल रही है, कई लोग वहां पर जो क्रिटिकल पेशेंट थे उनको निकालने में देरी हुई. धुआं चूंकि काफी बढ़ गया था, तो ऐसे में दम घुटने की वजह से भी कुछ मौतें हुई है. कई परिजन वहां पर मौजूद है जिनको ये जानकारी नहीं है कि उनके पेशेंट को जो एडमिट था आईसीयू में, उनको कहां ले जाया गया है, या वो वहीं पर है या फिर किसी दूसरे अस्पताल में शिफ्ट किया गया है. इसकी जानकारी उन लोगों को नहीं मिल पा रही है. तो ऐसे में ये आंकड़ा निश्चित तौर पर बढ़ेगा. सरकार भी इन चीजों को मॉनिटर कर रही है, लेकिन बड़ा सवाल उठ रहा है कि आखिर जो फायर सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स है उसको लेकर लगातार जब सवाल उठ रहे हैं तो उसको क्यों नहीं पालन कराया जा रहा है.
इंसिडेंट के बाद भी पूछा जा रहा है साकेत, और अब मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार में भी अब ये बड़ा हादसा एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में बताया जा रहा है, आईसीयू वार्ड में, जहां पर 4 लोगों की जान चली गई है. धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.